Hello, you speak English? No! Oh my god! I remember you yesterday. You 哇英文嘅 You listening my my singing yesterday, right? You are so cute, my friend. Yes, I'm so cute. You are fucking genius. 你已經知道世界上呢個世界上真理就係咩？係我好可愛。Welcome. No, she English bad. Yes, my English bad. Where are you from? Her aim is to become international. No. I don't know any English 啊，青。Luna English is very 咩啊？咩嚟啊？呢個係唔識英文啊，大佬。I meet you in yesterday. Yesterday, Taiwan. Singing stream 我記得我有見過佢啊，唔係咩 I from 越南베트남 Dim sum taste is so good, my friend. Thank you. Dim sum I can't eat dim sum. Japan no dim sum. Japan 有Japan have dim sum but taste not good. I think you should call me James. Oh, you are James. Oh, my stream have very a lot of dreams, you know. In my dreams, I have 3 dreams. Another dreams 係咩料？有一個 James A, James B, James C 我要 C 唔好讚啊。Have you ever heard my song before? I hear you sell poster. Do you ship? No. I think 你係等先 KK 園區喎。呢個越南人好似冇嚟話。佢問我話：我見到你賣 poster 喎，你賣唔賣海外㗎？喂。I think do you live in KK Garden? Do you live in KK Garden? I can call the police for you. 大丈夫啊，唔係OK are you OK？ 越南唔係 KK 園區。喂，大佬你一嚟就話我見到你 sell 呢個poster 喎，你去唔去送唔送海外㗎？喂，師兄，喂咁誇張嘅咩？而家一嚟有直播都有騙案嘅咩？大佬真咩？人哋問你寄海外有咩問題？喂，第一次入嚟就問我寄唔寄海外？呢啲唔係嗰啲騙案咩？嗰啲eBay 嗰啲咪咯。哇，你件嘢好正喎，寄唔寄英國啊？跟住咧喺度作鳩你一筆嗰啲，等先。你哋咪冇聽過啲騙案嘛？點嗰啲咩 eBay 啊咩旋轉拍賣都有啦，你哋冇聽過咩？唉，你班老友記，所以話啲老友記成日俾人呃咧，因為冇咩冇睇 Luna 個台咯。嗱，就話俾你聽，有啲人咧擺嘢上去嗰啲咩旋轉拍賣啊 eBay 嗰度賣咧，跟住有啲人咧就會。有啲外國人咧就會問你，我想問下你呢件嘢咧，我賣唔賣外國㗎？我有興趣想要啊，我出高啲價錢啦，不如你賣俾我啊！咁大家就會諗，哇，佢高啲價錢都想賣喎，佢真係好想要喎咁樣。咁於是咧就會話，好啊咁樣。咁之後佢就開始呃你，譬如呃你啲咩，可能呃你啲咩，但係咧我淨係可以用咩海外匯款嘅啫喎，諸如此類嗰啲咧就會去搞到你好似好困難先可以做得到呢間交易咁樣，有呢啲嘢㗎，有冇搞錯？同埋咧，我冇 poster，OK， 我只有 postcard。喂，我唔係對佢冇禮貌啊嘛，大佬，你諗下，一入嚟第一件事就問我，喂，你有冇 goods 賣㗎？仲要話寄唔寄海外喎，真係好提防啊呢啲嘢，提子啊，有冇聽過啊？放提子。好啦，唔好唱。好啦，你唔好唱。而家用 PayPal。Overpay 之後要你 pay back 啊，係就係話咩俾得太多錢啊，跟住話係嗰啲啊，我已經俾咗錢你噶啦，你收唔收到？但我俾多咗你喎，你退翻錢俾我，但係佢咧唔知用啲咩手段咧，其實嗰個錢係最尾唔會去到你銀行戶口嗰啲啊。Actually, the time of watching your stream yesterday was the time when I was very sleepy and I fell asleep. Really? Maybe I saw your comment yesterday.Also, hello, my friend. 你冇印象，哇佢好誇張，佢開始嗱呢啲人騙，哇真係，哇屌你老母真係提防騙子咯！佢話尋日咧我睇呢個台嘅時候咧，我就嚟瞓着啦，所以咧我唔記得啦咁樣，屌你老母！我尋日都唔喺自己度開台。Level 2 low 啊 ，Your level 2 low 啊，喂，即係咧冇咁樣啦，我唔拉弱智 OK， 你係弱智我唔係咯，我尋日都冇自己開台，做乜撚啫而家？屌你唔好再好兜啦，再兜我柒噶啦聲。我問佢你咪知 ，Are you Chat GPT？Are you Chat GPT？你講啲一嚿嚿嚿啊，仲一嚿嚿個字喎，大佬你咁樣好難同你溝通。咁點解你答唔到我問你嘅嘢嘅 ？But I didn't open the stream here yesterday. How can you see me yesterday here? Oh no, you so sleepy yesterday. Use ChatGPT Pro 啊！我旋轉拍賣有呢個可愛嘅賣家，點解係咩嚟咧？咁樣，跟住話啦，有啲喂，屌你老味！佢話有冇人喺旋轉拍賣試過有越南人買我嘢？屌！哇，中到砰砰聲！喂，香港01嘅師兄唔係我鳩噏噶，我哋讀一讀上面啲嘢先睇。佢就話啦，呢個旋轉拍賣嗰度咧就有一個越南嘅買家嘅花高價買二手貨。How many you can play? If you want my product, how many you can play? Are you rich? 咁佢話試完咧就喺連登度開個 post，咁佢就話咧擺咗呢個旋轉拍賣嗰度咧買呢個電腦 mon 啊，咁啊竟然咧收到自稱係嚟自越南嘅買家查詢，仲要話不惜付出高價錢同埋承包運費，咁咧就要求事主提供呢個銀行戶口啦，就表示會安排速遞上門收貨咁樣。咁下邊我就冇 cap 圖啦，大家聽住啦。咁啊事主咧就半信半疑就 cap 圖咧上問呢個連登嘅網友啦。咁啊同時又同呢個買家保持聯絡啦。咁見到咧佢竟然可以提供越南嘅電話號碼，就認為咧呢個買家係可信嘅。咁啊其實咧結果就話啦，有啲網民就話其實一眼就識穿啦，騙徒慣用手法，除咗極力阻止事主同呢個越南買家溝通之外咧，又斥責事主啊財迷心竅啊！財迷心竅嘅 Luna， 佢話所以就因為咧貪心咧就唔聽呢個勸告，阻止佢同呢個越南買家嘅咁樣嘅交易咁樣。咁啊，佢就話最終咧都未喺呢個網民咧極力嘅勸阻之下咧，今次咧都未將呢個貨物寄出嘅。但係翻查資料，原來類似嘅詐騙手法已經存在網絡多時啊！各位老友記，可唔可以吸收下新嘅知識啊？喂，20年前喎，佢話有20年前嘅 eBay 或者 Yahoo 拍賣咧已經興起㗎啦，咁樣。咁啊，騙徒咧往往都會話自己係嚟自於偏遠國家，甚至乎佢哋嘅國家難以買到相關嘅貨物，所以咧就願意比本身嘅定價高幾倍，甚至乎係數倍啊嘅價錢咧嚟購買。咁啊，為咗提高呢個可信度咧，騙徒仲會要求買家提供呢個銀行資料啦，再以空頭支票作為已匯款嘅假象，等買家以為真咧，將貨物寄出嘅話咧，就等於將呢個貨物啊免費拱手數。等先，我哋嘢值錢嘅咩？等先，我哋值錢嘅。咁我下次買 goods 可以再定高啲啊！我嘅 goods 已經可以得到騙徒嘅垂青啦，各位嗱，你哋嗰啲啊，今次買嗰啲啊，好好做全家寶 ，OK？ 將來俾你個仔，你會發達嘅 ，OK？ 冇錯，騙徒已經喜歡上我嘅 goods 啊，我已經得到騙徒嘅垂青啊！喺不久嘅將來 ，Luna 嘅呢個周邊將會大賣 ，OK？ 要升啦！大家買 out 定 put 啊！股市炒咗唔緊要，可以炒 Luna； 股市炒咗唔緊要，今鋪翻身就靠 Luna。話俾你聽，一粒現金雞唔係得。咁有啲人就係話財迷心竅咯，就係話，哇！有啲人話我寧願俾幾倍嘅價錢去買你個 mon， 點會買你個 mon？ 點會俾幾倍價錢啊？你啲 postcard 收到個騙子蝕錢啊，手皮啊你！人家特登嚟買啊，喺邊度啊？Luna Coin 啊，翻身靠金鋪啊，好似新商話 TH 蝕咗好多啊 ！TH 翻身靠金鋪啦，快啲偷我身上啲 goods 啊！信我，金鋪就係信我，好似沙甸魚咁講啦，翻身在望就靠今朝啊！就在今朝話俾你聽，唔係今朝過咗，就在聽朝。 啲頭腦復刻 Luna 個就分唔到真假 ，all in，好似沙甸魚咁，好似米妹咁，all in Luna，in Luna recharge 話俾你聽，發達靠金鋪啊，你唔係買啊嘛？第一次喎，1週年，你望下係1週年慶祝 Goose 之後係唔會復刻噶咯，之後嗰啲係咪2週年復刻 Goose 嗰啲大牌子都係咁噶啦，話咩限量 limited edition， 跟住之後下一年出翻個一模一樣嘅咩復刻咯，做咩啫？而家唔得咩？所以發達在今朝啊！今次買 Goose 嘅大家可以拎住 Goose 啊過人世啊！如果唔係可以，哇！可能第日咧飯友換棟樓都咁嚟，唔係講笑。Luna Goose 真品先有肥佬陣味啊！冇錯，大家要好好地拎住啊！所以就話有啲咁樣嘅嘢嘅，咁啊，所以點解我話喂係咪咩㗎？一嚟好奇怪啦，無啦啦衝入嚟就話我有冇嘢買啊咁樣，佢可能就係搏呢個心態咧，就係話喂，可能呢個人如果係想買 Goose 嘅，會唔會有可能有呢個位好入呢？咁如果我真係誤會咗你嘅，咁對唔住咯，鬼叫你喺越南咩？國家歧視而家點算？賭城呢個係價值300萬嘅 Luna 飯友，呢個係瑞士銀行嘅本票，我唔用瑞士銀行本票啦，用飯友嚟噶，用 Luna 飯友 OK。瑞士銀行本票太過時，我哋用飯友嚟做結算。哇，你冇啊？你拎個飯友出街食飯啊？即係話俾你聽，冇得食飯啊！4季酒店都買到凍翻嚟啊！好啦，我哋唔好夠鳩噏啦，好唔好？我哋唔好再鳩。點解可以因為咁樣鳩噏咁耐噶？我哋鳩噏咗幾耐啊？已經40分鐘啦。4分鐘已經過去啦，你知唔知非洲每60秒就過1分鐘啊？我哋已經過咗40過1分鐘啦，好危險啊！買完又多幾條天台見啊，買咗嘅可以約埋一齊去，一班丁蟹。